How to get $30 Uber working coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Uber coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Grabon. You can also check out this website. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer for Uber. You can see that 25% off, 50% off, 20% cashback. Now you can go ahead and click on any of the offer that you want to use. With that, you will get the code. Now you can copy this code and click on continue to store. You will be directed to the Uber website. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. You're going to get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. Just scroll and check out the offers and use it. The process is same. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Uber. All you have to do is open the website and check out the deals. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get $30 Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.